Hi there, welcome to the Uke Stuff channel and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of one of my chord melody arrangements. This time it is of the Latin American song Pinpon, which is about a puppet made of cardboard. And it's a very, very traditional, well-known song throughout Latin America. So I'm going to do this video. First of all, I'll talk about what chord melody is. Then I'll demonstrate the song on GCEA ukulele. Then I'll demonstrate it on baritone DGBE ukulele. Then I'll do a tutorial for GCEA ukulele and then a tutorial for DGBE ukulele. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to this channel and the sister channel, so Uke Play-Alongs and Uke Stuff. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. This song is available for free on my website, so you can go to ukestuff.info, go to ukulele music, go down to my tabs, and you'll see it alphabetically there with the other chord melodies. There are more than 40 there available for you to play along with and to enjoy. If you like chord melodies, I also have two books available on the Buy Me a Coffee page, on Apple Bookstore, and then also for Amazon Kindle and on the Amazon store in print of hymns and carols. And also, if you go to my website, again, go to Ukulele Music, you'll find some other options for you. There are the works by Elizabeth Ragsdale there, works by Tony Krimlisk, links to the website of Spencer Gay's Uke Education, and a link to the late ukulele Mike Lynch's paid resources on his website as well, if you like chord melody. Now that brings us to a discussion of what is chord melody. Chord melody, for me, is a next step in playing, letting your ukulele do the singing for you. Now that doesn't mean that you can't sing along with it. You certainly can. But what it does is it puts the melody and the harmony on your ukulele so that you don't have to sing along if you don't want to. I find it to be relaxing. I also find it to be a next step to more advanced playing. What you're going to do is use your thumb and you're going to play either single notes, parts of chords, or full chords depending on what tablature tells you. Now, what tablature is, and I'm going to change my view here to the bottom of the page, is you're looking at your ukulele not like this, but like this. The four strings sort of flip on you. So the bottom line is string 4, which is actually closest to me when I'm holding my ukulele, and the top line is string 1. So that's sort of reversed, again, looking at your ukulele like that rather than like this. And then the numbers tell you which fret to play. So for example, if the 4th string has a 0, you play it open. If it has a 2, you play the 2nd fret. If you see 0, 0, 0, 3, that means play open, 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 3rd fret, or what we know as a C chord. So that is how tablature works, and that skill, learning that, is going to lead to more advanced playing in the future as well. All right, let me demonstrate Pinpon on GCEA and then DGBE ukulele. All right, let's do a tutorial walkthrough. We're just going to do one time. We won't do the repeat. So we're going to start on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, up to a C chord. Back to the 2nd string, 3rd fret, strings 4th string 2 open. 2nd string, 1st fret. Now, ring finger, 2nd string, 3rd fret again, play strings 4th string 2. Repeat that. Repeat the 2nd string. C chord, 2nd string, 3rd fret, strings 4th string 2 open, 2nd string 1st fret, ring finger goes down again, 2nd string 3rd fret, strings 4th string 2. Repeat the 2nd string, strings 4 and 3 open, 3rd string 2nd fret, strings 4th string 2 open, 2nd string 1st fret, C chord, but you know, it's just slightly different. Again, with the ring finger on the second string, third fret, play strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat that. First string open. Now, jump to a G7 in a different location. This throws me off a little bit times when I'm playing it as well. So first finger goes on the second string, third fret. Second finger goes on the fourth string, fourth fret. And the ring finger goes on the third string, fifth fret. It's going to be played strings 4, 3, and 2. Then second string, first fret, second string, open. Third string, second fret. And then strings 4 and 3, open. Now, if you're going to repeat, then you play the second string, third fret, and jump back. Or if you're then, you just play strings 4 and 3. And that's pin-pon on GCEA ukulele. Now let's go to baritone. Okay, on baritone, we're going to start with a second string, third fret. And this is going to happen a lot. So your ring finger, a lot of times, is going to go on the second string, third fret. It's going to be playing part of a G chord in a different shape. Normally your G chord is on the ring fingers on the first string, third fret, but we're going to have a modified version of that, and I'll just call it out when it happens. So second string, third fret, then a G chord. Second string, third fret, strings 4, 3, and 2 open, second string, first fret, G chord, that modified, ring finger, second string, third fret, twice. Repeat the second string, G chord, second string, third fret, strings 4, 3, and 2 open, second string, first fret, then ring finger again on the second string, third fret, strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the second string, strings 4 and 3 open, third string, second fret, strings 4, 3, and 2 open, second string, first fret, that modified G chord, so the ring finger is on the second string, third fret, play twice. Then first string open. Now a modified D7 chord, what you're going to do is put the first finger on the second string, third fret, the second finger on the fourth string, fourth fret, and the ring finger on the third string, fifth fret. Play strings 4, 3, and 2. Second string, first fret, second string, open, third string, second fret, and then strings 4 and 3, open. If you're going to repeat, you go back to the second string, third fret to jump to the G chord, but at the end, you're just going to play strings 4 and 3, which is part of your G chord. And that's pin-pon on baritone DGBE ukulele. I hope you've enjoyed hearing and learning how to play pin-pon on GCEA and DGBE ukulele. Again, you can find it for free on my website, no strings attached, at ukestuff.info. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.